Kick is on the way. It will be just short, fielded by Newbold. Newbold has blockers. Going up the left sideline, Steve Newbold on his feet. Shakes off a tackler, but runs into the dasher board. He knows that.
High snap, they get it down, and Jaworski's got this one. Well, that came off his foot.
Repeat of that performance here in this one. This one is a kick from Jaworski high in the air, fielded just inside the 5 by Mike Kerrigan. He is met, upended by Bakari. Good snap, good hold. Kick is on its way. Jaworski sends this one high and back. Fielded by Saunders in the back of the end zone. Here comes Trey Saunders. He is hit by Steven Newbold and wrapped around and dropped down. Steven Newbold, but a flag. Hilliard, the holder. Snap down, kick is up, it is blocked at the line of scrimmage. On top of it is Green Bay and DeJour Nesbeth. A huge play for Green Bay, and they will retain possession. That was a very quick first drive for Quad City, and a big play by the line up front. A big play by Nesbeth. High snap, kick is blocked. James Brown, it's on the ground. Blizzards still have the lead. James Brown once again making play after play for Green Bay. We'll step aside.
It's time for the cam races.
14-13, Green Bay with the lead. High snap, kick is up. It is good.
That's a huge kick, extending the game to 3 possessions.
Is the long snapper in by the holder. Snap is down, kick is up, on its way. It is good. Nick Jaworski. Odd snap, and it is pushed through. Nick
snapping. Nunnery puts it down the 6. Kick is up, on its way, partially blocked. This will be returnable. Back of the end zone, bringing it out to the goal line, to the 5-yard line. And Currington to the 10, to the 15, open field 20, crosses midfield, left to right, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, and is going to be caught just shy of the goal line at the 2-yard line. That is why that is so dangerous in the indoor game. So the Iowa Barnstormers attempted a 36-yard field goal now for the lefty. Nick Jaworski for the Green Bay Blizzards. Snap back, hold down, kick is up, on its way, high enough, far enough, looks good. And it is a terrific field goal by the Green Bay.
It is a low bouncing kick that Skelton will take at the 4. Skelton straight forward up to the 15, still spinning, still going up to the 25. They're finally going to call him down at the 20-yard line. Forward progress was never stopped. He gained another 10 yards. Nice return by Skelton. That's a 20-yard return.
In this league, the line drive's good if you can get it to the wall. You don't want a line drive when you
try to avoid the scoreboard. Gets a lot under it, and it will come down about 4 yards deep. Durant comes up to the 4, and that is all. Good tackle downfield. This will be 3 yards deep, just like the last kick. To the 5, up to the 7, and that is all. Claiborne's kick. Will drive Newbold back about 5 yards in the end zone. Oh, nice return, finds a seam, and still going all the way to the 10-yard line. Was not hit. Did he hit the wall? They're going to argue maybe he did, but they're going to spot it right now at the 7.
Another line drive, bounces in the field of play. Skelton's going to field it and get out of the end zone. Ladarius Skelton still on his feet. He's got blockers. Ladarius Skelton, there he goes to the house. The backup quarterback, Ladarius Skelton, with a little bit of a Lambeau leap of his own, and the Blizzard reclaim the lead.
And that is why Sioux Falls has been trying to avoid kicking him the ball. If he gets the ball in his hands, he's a pure athlete and will make something happen.
Unbelievable. Is set to kick this one away, and it will be fielded by Chavis. Back of the end zone. Chavis still on his feet. Sean Steele there to wrap him up. Flags are down. We'll see what this one is for. And an onside picked up by Tim Whitfield into the end zone. Touchdown, Green Bay. I don't think you can return an onside kick. Oh, wait. There's going to be a discussion here. Left foot of Jaworski meets leather. This one high in the air. Chavis was going to field it right up against the back of the goal line. He's driven back and dropped. Snap is down. Kick is up. Nick Jaworski is good.
Great kick there.
Da-da.
So Green Bay's really going to need to remain focused if they want to win this game.
Petrie, a squib kick picked up by Steve Newbold. See what Steve Newbold could do. One man to beat. Steve Newbold. Is he in? No, he hit the dasher board inside the 10. But Steve Newbold with a huge.
That's, you pretty much call it quits.
Nope, it's a squib. Sessions goes down.
Nick Jaworski is going to have a chance here.
Well, okay. Kick is good! Nick Jaworski wins it for Green Bay! Unbelievable!
He redeems himself.
Nick Jaworski wins it for Green Bay!
Coach Corey Roberson is emotional after this win. This is a franchise-changing win for Green Bay, getting their first ever win against Sioux Falls.
Unbelievable!
Green Bay's season is